Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: licensed Zoom access and the Outlook client signed to your Microsoft account. Open the Zoom web portal, go to Settings, and enable calendar integration so Outlook appears as an option. Once done, install the Zoom for Outlook add-in from the Zoom Marketplace or Microsoft AppSource and allow permissions. Make sure you sign into Outlook with the identical email used for Zoom. This prevents auth conflicts and ensures meetings sync correctly across both applications. Now you install and authorize the add-in inside Outlook web app or the desktop Manage Add-ins pane. Choose Zoom for Outlook and add it. When Outlook or Zoom asks for permissions, accept calendar read/write and profile access so events can be created and updated automatically. Next, open Zoom settings and set your default meeting options, enable or disable video on join, set passcodes, and choose waiting room behavior, because those defaults get applied to any meeting you schedule from Outlook. To finish, create a new Outlook calendar event and click Add Zoom Meeting. The add-in injects the join link, meeting ID, and dial-in info into the event body. Double-check time zone and attendee list, then send invites. Updates and cancellations push to Zoom automatically. If things go wrong, reauthorize the add-in in Manage Add-ins, sign out and back into both Zoom and Outlook, and clear cache. These steps resolve most sync or permission issues quickly so meetings reappear correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.